Welcome back to our financial series for 2026, where we help you navigate the changing world of business credit and corporate financing. Today, we are tackling a massive topic that can make or break your credit building strategy, which is the list of business credit cards that only perform a soft pull if you are an entrepreneur who is protective of your personal credit score. You already know that every hard inquiry can cause a temporary dip in your numbers. In the current economic climate of 2026, having a high credit score is more important than ever for securing large loans and low interest rates for your company. Fortunately, the banking industry has finally started to listen to small business owners, and more issuers are moving away from traditional hard inquiries during the initial application phase. In this 10-minute deep dive, we are going to look at 10 specific cards and companies that allow you to see if you are approved without damaging your personal credit profile. We will also discuss the secret strategies that high-level entrepreneurs use to stack these cards to build hundreds of thousands of dollars in available credit without ever leaving a footprint on their credit reports. Before we jump into the names of the cards, we need to define exactly what a soft pull means in 2026 compared to the old days. A soft pull is a credit inquiry that does not show up to other lenders and does not affect your FICO score. It is essentially a background check that allows the bank to see your creditworthiness without officially requesting a credit line. Now let us start our list with one of the biggest names in the industry. At number 1, we have the American Express Business Suite of cards. American Express has led the way in 2026 with their Apply with Confidence feature. This is a revolutionary system where you can fill out a full application for any of their business cards like the Blue Business Plus or the Business Gold, and they will give you a decision based only on a soft pull. You will know your credit limit and your interest rate before you officially accept the card. Once you agree to the terms and click accept, they may perform a hard pull. But if you are already an existing American Express cardholder, you might get lucky and have no hard pull at all. This is why many experts suggest getting a personal Amex card first, because once you are in their ecosystem, they typically only use soft pulls for all your future business credit applications. This allows you to scale your business credit limits into the 6 figures without a single inquiry showing up on your personal bureau reports. Moving on to number 2, we have the Apple Card by Goldman Sachs. While many people view this as a personal card, it is widely used by sole proprietors and freelancers in 2026 who are running their business through their own name. The Apple Card is famous for its transparent application process, where you can see your approved limit and approve with zero impact to your credit score. If you do not like the offer, you can simply walk away, and it is like the application never happened. For small business owners who use Apple Pay and want a simple 2% cash back on most purchases, this is an essential tool to have in your pocket, especially because it allows you to build a relationship with a major lender without the risk of a rejection inquiry. At number 3, we have the Capital One Business Pre-Approval Portal. For a long time, Capital One was known for pulling all 3 credit bureaus for every application, but in 2026 they have modernized their system. They now offer a dedicated pre-approval tool for their Spark business cards, where they will tell you exactly which cards you qualify for using a soft pull. This is a major win for business owners because Capital One is known for offering high limits to those with fair to good credit. You can check your eligibility as many times as you want without hurting your score, and you only take the hard pull once you are certain you want to move forward with the final submission. Their cards like the Spark Cash Plus are incredible for businesses with high spend because they offer unlimited 2% cash back, which can add up to thousands of dollars in rewards every year. Number 4 on our list is the Discover It Business Card. Discover has remained one of the most reliable lenders for new entrepreneurs in 2026. They have a very simple pre-qualification tool on their website that uses a soft pull to check your eligibility. One of the best parts about Discover is their cash match at the end of the first year, which essentially gives you a 4% return on all your business spending during your first 12 months. They are also known for having excellent customer service based in the United States, which is a huge plus when you are dealing with complex business transactions. They report your on-time payments to the major business bureaus, which helps you build a solid business profile for the future. Coming in at number 5 is the BRICS corporate card. Now BRICS is a bit different because in many cases they do not do a credit pull at all. They focus entirely on your business revenue and your cash on hand. In 2026, BRICS has become the go-to choice for startups and e-commerce businesses that have at least $50,000 in the bank. They use a soft pull just to verify your identity, and then they link directly to your business bank account to determine your limit. Because there is no personal guarantee required, your personal credit score is never at risk. This is the ultimate way to keep your personal and business lives completely separate, while accessing limits that are often 5 to 10 times higher than what a traditional bank would offer. At number 6, we have the RAMP corporate card, which follows a similar model to BRICS. RAMP is all about efficiency and expense management in 2026. They perform a soft pull to verify the business owner, but the actual approval is based on your cash flow. What makes RAMP special is their automated software that finds ways for you to spend less money, which is essentially like having a free accountant built into your credit card. They offer a flat 1.5% cash back on everything, and there are no personal credit checks required for the majority of businesses that meet their revenue requirements. It is a fast and painless way to get a professional card for you and your entire team without any hard inquiries. Number 7 is the FUBO Business Edition Business Prime Plus card. First National Bank of Omaha has become a hidden gem in the business credit world in 2026. They offer a pre-qualification link that is almost always a soft pull, and they are very friendly to business owners who are just starting to scale. They have some of the most competitive interest rates in the market, and they often offer a long 0% introductory period on purchases. This is perfect for buying equipment or inventory without having to pay interest for the first year. Again, the soft pull allows you to see if you can get this valuable financing before you commit to a hard inquiry. Number 8, we have the NAV Prime card. NAV has transformed into a full financial health platform for businesses, and their Prime card is designed specifically to build credit. There is no credit check involved in the application because it is a subscription-based model that uses your linked business data to approve you. It reports to all 3 major business credit bureaus as a primary trade line, which is one of the fastest ways to boost your business credit score in 2026. Because it is not a traditional credit card in the sense of a hard inquiry, it is a safe and guaranteed way to improve your financial standing while keeping your personal score intact. Number 9 on our list is the Mercury corporate card. Mercury is built for the tech-savvy entrepreneur, and they offer a banking and credit suite that is entirely integrated. In 2026, they have simplified their credit application so that if you have a Mercury business bank account, you can apply for their credit card with just a soft pull. They look at your average daily balance and your transaction history to give you a limit that matches your business needs. It is a very modern approach to lending that prioritizes